You ever stop for a second and realize front-end development isn't what it used to be? Like, it's changing so fast that even if you learned something last year, you might already be behind. I don't know about you, but sometimes I look around and I'm like, wait, when did front-end start meaning full stack development? In this video, I just want to talk, not teach, not explain, just talk about how front-end is changing and why you should care. If this is your first time here, I'm Samuel Damilare, a front-end developer from Nigeria, and I've been building stuff for a while now. I make videos about code, tech life, and just a reality of trying to grow in a space. So if you vibe with me, hit the subscribe button. Let's be real, front-end development today is not just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript anymore. That era is gone. Now you learn React, boom, and suddenly you are dealing with backend stuff, API, server-side rendering, data fetching, authentication. It's like no one told us we are signing off to be a full stack developer, right? Like I thought I was just going to build some clean UI. Now I'm debugging JSON error and connecting to MongoDB. And don't get me wrong, it's cool, but I wish someone told me any front-end development now means have to understand backend too, even if it's just the basic. And also CSS is leveling up. Do you remember when you just wrote a basic CSS? Now we've got Tailwind, Star Component, CSS modules, SCSS, native variables, container queries. Like, bro, pick a struggle. And the funniest part is, some people swear by Tailwind, others hate it. I personally love it because you can move fast and stay consistent, but still, all of this can be confusing when you are just getting started. My advice is pick one of the styling, just one, and master that first. For me, Tailwind was the best move for me. We need to talk about AI. I used to think AI tools were just fancy stuff for senior developers with money or senior team with money. But no, it's here and it's everywhere. Copilot can literally finish your code before you do. ChatGPT can build a layout, write function, even fix your bug. And I will be honest, I thought at first, I was like, I wanted to learn it the hard way. But the truth is, AI isn't replacing depth, it's replacing the slow dev. So if you're not using AI tools to speed your workflow, bro, you are sleeping. Learn how to use the tools right now. Don't depend on them, but use them to move faster. And also, component and design are taking over. Have you noticed how everything is changing to components based now? React started it, but now Build take over and Azure. Everyone is doing it. And if you are freelancing or working with a team, we are going to deal with design system, tokens, spacing, colors, and reusable components. Plus, designers send you Figma files with components, and you are expected to just bring it to life perfectly. So if you have been ignoring design tools like Figma, even learning the basic will make your job so easier. And also, you are expected to do everything on the front end. I don't know when this started, but now front end dev are expected to be SEO expert, performance optimizer, accessibility champion, mobile first designer, and fast coder. Like, this is crazy. Sometimes I feel like the job description is do it all and don't break the site, but that's the game now. So you have to be aware of things like lighthouse calls, page load speed, semantic HTML, and stuff like that. It's not just about building pretty UIs anymore. Front-end development is changing quickly, and to be honest, it's exciting, but it's also a bit scary. If I'm starting all over today, I do focus on 4 things. Number 1, fundamentals, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, like strong base. And also number 2, a modern framework like Next.js. Then I'm going to learn with CSS for styling, and also learning to use AI tools wisely. And the most importantly is our build projects. Tutorials are cool, but real learning happens when you build stuff, mess it up, and fix it. Frontend is changing fast, but you can keep up if you stay curious and consistency. If this video helped you or make you feel less alone, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.